Hey guys, Courtney here with the Damian Hall Group at Blackstream Christie's, and boy do I have a treat for you today. We're going to see 5 West North Street. It's on the corner of West North and Main, right in the heart of beautiful downtown Greenville. It's a pre-war era condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Right now I'm in Noma Square where they host weekly concerts. And this is right where we have all these boutiques, and there's a Starbucks and wonderful restaurants and the Saturday market every Saturday. Truly just the heart of Greenville, and I cannot wait for you to see this gem. Follow me. Okay, so here we are at this gorgeous, charming downtown, right in the heart of Greenville condo, pre-war era, built late 1800s. And as you'll notice, some of the amazing architectural details, such as these herringbone, I believe, original hardwood floors. Something else that I think is really beautiful is the detailing of this amazing mantle and the gas fireplace. You can hear the sounds of the concerts, the weekly concerts at Noma Square, which is really, really cool. Again, there's just, everything is so convenient for all you dog lovers. There's a Wolfgang bakery right below us. As you can see here, it's already pre-wired for your large flat screen TV for those NFL Sundays and the parties. And the whole condo is already pre-wired with surround sound, so you can be listening to Pavarotti while you're in your kitchen. So let's check out the kitchen. So this is really interesting. This is an antique piece from Paris, this island. So it has a lot of history. And then behind me, these are marble countertops from an old courthouse in Spartanburg. And then a really neat feature is this commercial kitchen, 6-burner gas stove. Makes cooking Thanksgiving really easy and fun in this great kitchen. You also have a large walk-in pantry and plenty of cabinet storage and space. Okay, so now let's go check out the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and the enormous 1,500 square foot outdoor living. It's truly an urban oasis, and it's just absolutely fabulous. Now we're in the very spacious master bedroom with these gorgeous views of downtown Greenville. One of my favorite things about this room is the Juliet balcony and these beautiful glass doors that I believe to be original. You have a wonderful master bathroom, really cool clawfoot tub, and then you have really great closet space, his and hers closets. But if you really want to see an amazing view, look at this, guys. It's an amazing 1,500 square foot of rooftop, truly urban oasis, anything that you could possibly imagine. An outdoor kitchen, pergola, movie theater, mini golf, whatever you can really, it's an amazing opportunity to have your own personal rooftop access in downtown, the heart of Greenville, which is such a desirable and amazing city. Truly, I feel like this is the gem of this property. And I would absolutely love to be able to have the opportunity to show you around this gem of property. I'm Courtney with the Damian Hall Group. Just let us know.